Small YouTubers are struggling because of so many problems on what they don't know. There are so many settings on your YouTube um, statute dashboard or studio dashboard that you need to do those settings to help your content to be watched. And this is what we are going to look at this morning. If you want your videos to go viral, there are some settings that you need to do on your YouTube studio dashboard. That's what we are going to look at. So when you go to Chrome, you type youtube.studio.com and you go to your dashboard. And going to your dashboard, that's where you're going to do some settings that will balloon your views, that will get your content being watched. So let me take you to the YouTube studio dashboard and show you these settings that you need to do to help your content go viral, to get you more watch hours, to get you more subscribers. So when you go to your YouTube dashboard, the first thing you see on your YouTube settings. So let me close it. So you come to when you come to this is your YouTube dashboard, and you go to settings. That's where when you click on settings, it opens. The first thing that you see, the general, the channel, the upload defaults, the permissions, community moderation, and agreement. And where we are going to set these settings, we are going to turn it off and turn it on, some settings to help our video to go viral. So the first place that you need to go is to go to the channel. You type on the channel. When it opens, you have basic information, we have advanced settings, we have um features, eligibility. So first of all, if your YouTube is verified, when you go to the feature eligibility, you see you can manage your access to more features here. Intermediate and advanced features required, and your channel must show all these. Standard features should be green. Then the next one is immediate features. It must also be green if you have met all the requirement on feature eligibility. Then advanced features should also be green. And if your YouTube channel has met all these feature eligibility, you are going to go viral. Then let's come to where you need to turn some settings, you need to do some settings, you need to type in some things to help your YouTube channel to go viral. So keywords, what is your channel about? The niche that you have chosen, you need to get some keywords that will help your niche to be blown on YouTube. So you have to type these keywords in the keyword section, or you can go use other apps, or you can use the YouTube app to get the keywords for your niche, and you type those keywords there to help your YouTube content to go viral. Then the next one that will, or the next setting that will help your channel to go viral is the you click on the advanced settings. This is where you can turn on some settings, or you can turn off some features to help your YouTube channel to blow, to just go viral. So the first thing that you need to do is to choose the audience. Are your content made for kids? So do you want to set your channel as made for kid? If your content is not made for kid, you need not to bother about it. And this area, so if your content is not about kids, then you have to turn on no. This is set this channel as no made for kid, and I almost never upload content that made for kid. So you have to turn it on no. So if your content is not made for kids, then you scroll down a bit, you scroll down a bit, then you come to this area. Then we have automatic caption. So you have to turn this on to help your content that you are creating, those who cannot hear, those who cannot see, when you turn it, or when you turn this feature on, it will help your content to go viral. So don't show potential inappropriate. So if there are some inappropriate words in your content, if you turn on the automatic caption, you're able to remove this. So automatic captioning occasionally makes mistakes. These settings prevent potential inappropriate words from displaying. So words that are inappropriate, when you turn this one on, um, it will remove those inappropriate words. Then you have automatic product tagging. You can also put it on, or when you put it on and you are qualified as a promotion, you have qualified for YouTube partnership program. This will help you tag products, and when people buy these products, you able to get commission from it. Now the next settings that will also help you is that um disable interest based advertisement. So if you have some interest in some advertisement, if you turn this one on, it will limit your income, it will limit your dollars that you are going to accrue on this channel. Then the next settings that we are going to look at it is on, we are going down, then clips. This settings that you need to turn it off. Some people, when they clip your content, they later on say that this content belongs to them. So you don't want viewers, or you don't want other content creators to clip your content and later on claim that the content belongs to them. So you need to turn it off. You need to turn it off. Then the next settings that you need to um, turn it on is this third party training. If you want your content to be used for training, then you need to be used by AI. So allow third party companies to train AI models using your content, and in turning this settings on, it will blow your your YouTube views, and it will help you get more money. So when other companies are able to use this, it will help your channels to go viral, because they are going to use your content to train on AI, and it's very very good. So then we'll come to um the next settings. So the next settings that will also blow your YouTube, where you go to upload default. This place is also very very important. That will help your channel to blow and blow to the way you like. So you can type a title when you're uploading your content. You need to type the title of your content. That will help viewers to know the content that you are bringing to them. So you get catchy title, you get catchy title that will help your views to blow on YouTube. Then the next one is description. You need to give a brief description of the content that you have created to help others to also know what your content is about, and you type in some keywords in this description and tags in this description box. Then the most important one that you need to know is this area: post uploads defaults. Other creators always, or small content creators always makes mistakes when they are posting. They will post it direct. This is wrong. What you need to do is that you need to put your video in private or unlisted. When you put your video on unlisted, it will help YouTube to study your content and able to direct your content to the very audience that your content is made for. So you first put it on private or unlisted. When you put it on private or unlisted, YouTube will be able to study your content and find audience for your content for it to get a better view. So small YouTubers, when you're uploading your content, don't go straight away and upload it on public. When you upload using a public, then you are not going to get a lot of views. You are not going to get a lot of views. You need to put the video on private or unlisted to help YouTube to understand your content and able to find the needed audience for your content. So these are some of the things that you need to do to help your video to go viral. So anytime you are posting, you put your video on private or unlisted, then you create the title that is so engaging, you create the thumbnail that is so engaging, then you use tags that help your video content to go viral. These are the basic things that small YouTubers are failing and they are not getting views. So don't forget to subscribe, like and share this content for your benefit. Meet us or see us in another tutorials for the YouTube growth.